talking about? Tell Yaya all about it. What you talking about? Oh, look at your big old smile. Yeah, look at your big old smile. You better let them know the teeth coming in. Tell everybody you are teething. Yes, the teeth is coming in. He is slobbering all over the place and trying to suck on everything. And yeah. Uh-huh. And he is fascinated with the ceiling fans. If you see him, he keeps looking up at the ceiling. He's fascinated with the ceiling fans. I don't know what it is, but kids like things like that moves around and around and around. I guess why they make those mobiles for the beds and stuff, for the baby beds hanging up in the air. Yeah, say hey, y'all. Say hey, family and friends. We back, and guess who's 5 months now? Yeah, the baby 5 months. Yes, he is. He's laying on his little pillow. I like that little pillow. It really supports him in different ways. You can have him laying back on it, chilling, or you could have him sitting up and put them inside the middle of the pillow so they can sit up. That way they're not always laying down all the time and you don't have to always carry the baby all the time. You so happy. Yaya love her a happy baby. But it seems like you're getting more entertainment from the ceiling fan than from me. You supposed to be over here visiting me. Uh-huh. What? What, you kicking the cover off? Okay, you don't want the cover on? Alright. Yeah, he does not like to have covers on him. I know, little big old legs. What, you trying to kick me? Huh? Is you trying to kick me? You trying to tell me something? Oh, okay. You ready to start walking? Yeah, you kicking them legs up because you ready to get to walking. Well, you got to start crawling first. Then again, some babies, they just real smart and real advanced. And they start running, then walking, then crawling, or walking and crawling and talking, or talking, then crawling and walking. Yeah, how you gonna do it? Huh? How you gonna do it? Is you gonna walk? You gonna talk? First, which one you gonna do first? And who name you gonna say first? Yaya? You gonna say my name first? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's my baby. Yeah, look at him, y'all. He's getting so big. Oh my God, I swear, every time he comes over, every time I go see him, oh my God, he just seems so big. And he's growing. He went to the doctor the other day. He had his little shots in his leg. His mommy and daddy said it hurted him for a little bit, and he was a little tender in his legs for the first few days, which is expected when the babies get their shots. But yep, so he's all caught up with his shots and everything, and they said he is really long. As you can see, he is a long baby. Yes, and my baby is what they say, 21 pounds. Yeah. 5 months old and 20. Where you going? Where you going, baby? You sliding out your pillow. You sliding out the pillow. Oh my gosh, y'all. He just loves to talk and move and kick and oh my God. He's such a happy baby. I just love me a happy baby. What you like? You staring at that ceiling fan, huh? Uh-huh. Yeah, I know. It's more entertaining than me. I know. Ayce! He done fell out the pillow. Let me pull him back up on the pillow, y'all. There you go. You just slid all the way out the pillow with all your kicking and moving and squirming and worming. I think he's trying to get to that ceiling fan up on that wall, y'all. I don't know. What? What was that? Is you spitting at me? Is you blowing bubbles? Ace, is you blowing bubbles? I heard it. Yeah, you throwing blowing some bubbles. Well, anyway, y'all, this is our 5 month checkup. Ace is just checking in with you guys. What you want to tell him, Ace? Y'all, look at him. He is going to be crawling in a minute, I swear. He just turned 5 months old. And he already be turning over. If that pillow wasn't there, he would flip right over. But yes, he's been flipping and spinning and kicking, and he's ready to get up and go. Yeah, you is. Now you tired. All that kicking and squirming wearing you out, huh? What? Oh, you spitting at me. You spitting bubbles at me? Okay. Tell us all about it then. Tell us all about it then. Okay. All right. Somebody might need to be hungry, and I see that blue stripe on your Pampy. I just changed you, but now you gotta be changed again. I love these newer Pampers. They wasn't made like this back in the day, where they got the stripes to tell you when it's time when they done went. I know it. Y'all understand. You just want to spit bubbles and lay around and all day. Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. That's our check-in. That's our 5 month check-in. Oh, no. Little feet, little legs. Uh-huh. Uh-oh, where the bing bing? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Is that what you wanted, the bing bings? Okay, y'all. That's our 5 month old check-in. I'm gonna go ahead and change his little pamper, fix him a little bottle, and we're gonna continue kicking it and chilling together for the rest of the day till his mommy and daddy come pick him up later. So, from Yaya and Ace and Yaya, thanks for tuning in. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant at all times, and always remember, show a little love to somebody. Look out for someone else and not just yourself. Bye.